Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. In last video, I made you understand some method of the finding out HCF, that is the highest common factor method, and second is the prime factor method. Okay, I hope you must have understood that. So today we are just going to start the division method. I will tell you how to find out the HCF by division method. Okay, so I have written one question here that find HCF of the 18, 24, 8, 12 and 18, 32, 56 and 46. So these are some examples are here. We will find out the HCF of these given examples. Let's start how to find out the HCF. Before starting this, I would like to tell you, for finding out the HCF by the division method, you must have the knowledge of the division. If you know the division, then you can find out it. If you don't know the division, so you will face some difficulty in this method. Okay, so find the HCF of 18 and 24. We will take this example first of all. Okay, 18 and this is the first 18 and 24. There are two numbers are there. Okay, they may be 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever the numbers are there. You will choose first of all the smallest number. What is the smallest number? 18. And what is the greater than 18? That is the 24. Only two numbers are there. So in this case, you will divide the greater number by the smallest number. Okay, so 24 divided by 18, like this. Okay, we are just using the traditional method. So we will divide 24 by 18. 18 was the 18. 18 was the 18. Now, what will left? 6. What is left? 6 as a remainder. Means when we will 18 was the 18, then after we subtract 6 is left, that is the remainder. Now what we have to do? This remainder become the divisor. Here, this is the divisor, this is dividend, okay, and this is remainder. Now we have to again divide it, okay, and in next division, this 6 will be divisor, and this 18 will be dividend. We will write 18 here. Means we have to divide this 18 by this remainder. Got it? We have to divide this 18 by this remainder 6. Now we will divide this 18 by the 6. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. What is that? 0. We have to divide until we don't get the 0. जब तक हमको 0 नहीं मिलेगा तब तक हम डिवाइड करते रहेंगे. Okay, we just keep on making the remainder as a divisor and divisor as a dividend. Got everyone? We just keep on dividing until we get the 0. So this 6 is the HCF of 18 and 24. Got? I am just telling you once again. First of all, you will divide the larger number by the smaller number. We have divided 18 times 18. What is left? 6 as a remainder. Now this 6 become the divisor and this 18 become the dividend. Now again we will divide 6 3 is 18. Remainder is 0. Okay. So this 6, which is the divisor here, it is the HCF of 18 and 24. Means the divisor which we get at the last divisor will be the HCF of 18 and 24. So HCF of 18 and 24 is equal to 6. Means 6 is the highest number, highest common number which divide 18 and 24 exactly. 6 से बड़ा और कोई नंबर नहीं है जो इन दोनों को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करे विदाउट रिमाइंडर. ओके, सो 6 इज द HCF of 18 and 24. Now we will take the second example where the three numbers are there and we have to find the HCF by the division method. What? You may take the screenshot if you want to. Okay. Now the second, we have to find HCF of 8, 12 and 18. 8, 12 and 18. 8, 12, 18. Again we have to do the same thing. We have to see which is the smallest, then greater. Okay. So this is the smallest number and this is the greater number. So we will divide this 12 by the smallest number. Okay. This is the smallest number. Okay. It is the smallest among them. And 12 is the greater than 8. So we will divide 12 by the 8. 8 was the 8. What is left? 4. Again we have to do the same thing. This remainder will become the divisor and this divisor will become the dividend. Now we will divide this 8 by this 4, by this remainder. 4 to the 8. What is left as a remainder? Nothing. 0. So this 4, last divisor will be the HCF of this 8 and 12. Means if the 18 is not there. Okay. So this 4 is the HCF of 8 and 12. This 4 is the HCF of 8 and 12. But one more number is there, 18. So what we have to do? Now we will divide this 18. We will divide this 18 by the 4. Because here the remainder is 0. No number is there. And this is the HCF of 8 and 12. So we will divide the 18 by the HCF of both of them. Now 18 will be divisible. We will divide the 18 by the 4. 4 4s are 16. What is left? 2 as a remainder. Again the same thing we have to do. This is the remainder divisor. This will come here as a dividend. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So what the last divisor is there? 2. Okay. So HCF of these three numbers means 8, 12 and 18 is equal to 2. Okay. The HCF of these two numbers, three numbers, 8, 12 and 18 will be 2. Got? Now we will take the third example, 35, 46 and 46. We will find the HCF of three of them. You just take the screenshot of this. (32, 56 and 46). 32, 46 and 56. Okay. We have to find the HCF of 32, 46 and 56. Same thing we have to do. We have to follow which we have done in these two examples. We will divide. This is the smallest number and 46 is the greater than 32. So we will divide the 46 by the 32 first of all. 32 was the 32, 32 to the, it will be the more than 46. So we will take the 1 the 32. Subtract, that is the fourth one. Okay, 14 is left. 4 and 1. Now 32 will come here as a dividend. 14 to the 14, 14 to the 28. 14 to the 28. Now what will be left? What will be left? 4. Now 14 will come here. We have to divide till then we don't get the 0. 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16 will be more than this, so we will take the 4 3s are 12. That is the 2 as a remainder after subtraction. Now the 4 will come here. This 4 will come here as a divisor and 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 and now the remainder is 0. It means this 2, the last divisor, this 2 is the HCF of 32 and 46. Okay, means ये 2 इन दोनों का HCF. Now we have to divide this 56 by this HCF, means this 2. This is the HCF of these two numbers. Now we will divide the last number by this 2. How? 56. 2 to the 4, 1, 16, 2 8 the 16, okay, remainder is 0. Means this 56 is also exactly divisible by the 2, which is the HCF of these two numbers. So it means the 2 is the HCF of this and this. Means HCF of 32, 46 and 56 is 2. HCF is equal to 2. Okay, this is not this and this, both are the 2, but we cannot say this 2 is the HCF of all of them, means all the 3 numbers. No, this 2 is the HCF of this and this 2. This is the last divisor. This is the HCF of these 3 numbers. So this is the method I told you. By that you can find out the HCF. Okay, so this is the division method and it is not very tough and you will not face any difficulty. And earlier I told you the prime factor method and the highest common factor method. Got it? So in this video I told you the division method. In next video I will just make you solve the exercise 8b, in which we have to apply the method, highest common factor, prime factor method, division method. Means we have to apply these 3 methods in the exercise 8b. You just try all these 3 methods at your home. Till then you just keep practice. Thank you.